Okay, so here it is. It came. They are super excited. Lucy's a noisy drinker. She absolutely seems to love it. And here comes the crazy. I've been watching videos about moving water, and it's supposed to bring the water to life. And I know I sound crazy, but there's tests that have been done, and apparently us humans should be doing the same thing. We should be putting our water through a fountain type movement to bring it back to life and make it healthy. And my husband thinks I sound crazy, and everybody else might, but you should do some investigating. This is very cute, has a nice motion to it, so I'm hoping it makes their water healthier. There's a little window down here so that you can see how much water's in there, which I don't think I'm high enough yet. Anyway, great product, love it.
I was pretty excited about this thing because we were using this thing and I had to clean it out every day. I feel like I'm gonna have to do the same thing with this because I don't like the dog hair. As you can see, it's not really filtering the garbage out. And if you're wondering, it's plenty full. Perfectly level. I've tried adding more water to the tray. I've tried tilting it back a little bit, putting shims underneath it. I don't know. This thing just doesn't do a very good job for what it's advertised to do.
There's the kitten next to it. See the little dogs and the cats enjoy the fresh flow. And there's not a whole bunch of water in there at a time. So there isn't as much to splatter and drip all over the floor.
super cute and it doesn't take up too much room.